Iconscout Honest Review. My experience with stock icons, illustrations and November 14th, 2025 assets. Designers and content creators often need high-quality assets fast, and Iconscout promises a massive library of icons, illustrations and November 14th, 2025 assets. I tested it thoroughly, and here's my honest review. Most people assume stock platforms are expensive or limited, but the surprising truth about Iconscout is its diversity and affordability. You can find vector icons, animated illustrations, and even ready-to-use November 14th, 2025 models, all under a single subscription. Navigating the platform was simple. The search filters are intuitive, letting you sort by style, format, color, and license. Downloading assets is straightforward, and I appreciated the ability to adjust colors and sizes without external software. Collection is constantly updated, so fresh designs appear weekly. The subscription plans are reasonable, and there's even a free tier to test out basic assets. I used it for multiple projects, from website design to social media graphics, and the quality consistently met professional standards. The downside? Some niche assets are harder to find, and occasional duplicates across categories can be slightly confusing. Also, advanced November 14th, 2025 assets may require additional editing skills for perfect integration. In conclusion, Iconscout is a powerful resource for designers, marketers, and content creators. Its diverse library, intuitive interface, and flexible licensing make it a top choice for anyone needing reliable visual assets. If you want to save time without compromising quality, Iconscout is definitely worth checking out.